is like free elbow, it will land. Almost 100% guarantee. If it doesn't land, you will be over here and you can land. Right? If it doesn't work, you make it work. Maybe if you want, you can address this first, then go for it. Like. Welcome back. The elbow strike or elbow attack is one of the most effective techniques you can do to a human, right? So he can stop whatever he's doing. But you must know when to do it and how to do it. So here are a few sure shot methods. If you do it like this, almost maybe 100% it will land, it will work. Because this is not like video game, right? You're standing here and you click side kick and it will go inside. It doesn't work like that. So you have to position yourself for that, and some hand trapping methods and some things we can do with the hands to open the space and then go for the elbow. So for the first situation, very simple and most usual one, you will find yourself somewhat over here, and what you will do is, the other guy is also like this and I am also like this. So what we do is, we do basic 1-2, 1-2, but in a more beginner style, right? The first day of your 1-2, you did like 2, right? You might have seen small children doing punching. You do like this in a circular way. So that is good. If it lands, okay. If it doesn't land, I am going to bring one hand down and then I am going to open the space for other stuff. So against a real human being, so what we are talking about is like 1-2, but not proper ones, more like the ones children do, like this one. But you see what happened over here is, I got his hands down. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bring the guy's hands down like 1, right? 1-2, see? 1-2, and into the elbow strike. So it is more like 1, 2, and 3. Punching also. It can be a punch. If it lands, good. If I miss, bring it down. Both conditions, both ways. If I land a punch, still I am pulling his hand down for making the other one even bad. So it is like 1, bring down, 2, down, and then everything can be achieved from here. It can be also set up like a hook punch. So 1-2, set it up like 1 and here. Or after the hook, you always have an open here. Basic self-defense videos and classes, you will find this technique. I like from here, they will do like, okay, it works, it will work. And with that, we can add an elbow. This is like free elbow, it will land. Almost 100% guarantee. If it doesn't land, you will be over here and you can land. Right? If it doesn't work, you make it work. Right? So I'm here. Okay, kick or something like that, and then work. More like a self-defense kind of thing. But this, see, this, okay, can bring it up, and then again this side, and then you can continue. But this is the situation in which you will find yourself more. So maybe you can address this also first, like in usually standing grappling, they do it like this. Yes, it hurts the hand also. Or you could do it like this. So from positions like this, out and elbow. Otherwise, you can first address this. So if all that is not working, I try to create an opening for something else, and then you can land the elbow. The elbow can be landed like this also. This is also okay. So right? But don't go too open. It's not safe for you, right? You miss this, then okay. And the second one from here, maybe you can push back, or maybe from here itself you can do. Otherwise, see, this is already very good. I am impressed, right? I don't have to do anything else. But maybe if you want, you can address this first, then go for it. Like, so that's all for today. Elbows that you can almost 100% land successfully. Nothing works all the time. Everything, there are limitations for everything, but this works most of the time. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Karate TV online class where we discuss all this in a little more detail, in a little more depth. The new link has been created. I will give the link in description. You can join. New batches are starting. So if you want, you can click. The link is in description. Color dhoti if you like. अभी उसका ऐड मैं चला दूंगा, उसमें मैं ऐसा ऐसा और ऐसा और ऐसा, मतलब उसमें अच्छा लगता हूँ मैं, और मेरे को मज़ा आता है आपका ये टाइम वेस्ट करते हुए, वो भी देख लेना। चलो।